Hello, good evening. Ayan, pinanonood ko yung city lights. Mga kasana all, I just wanna share my video with you. If you think bad, it's okay. If you think bad in me, in my videos, it's okay. If you think good, that's better. And if you ignore, that's fine. I'm doing this because it makes me happy. And I'm enjoying it. Not for anything, not for something that I just want to share that I'm enjoying it. So this is it. Life is too short. I want enjoy every moment that the good God give it to me. Noon pag nanonood ako ng video ng iba, sinasabi ko someday magagawa ko rin yan. Kaya ito ngayon, kaya pangit, kaya maganda, wapakits. Basta nai-enjoy ko, okay lang. I do it for myself, not for anyone. But I'm sharing for everyone because I want to share my happiness. Ayan o. Dito parang hindi masyadong kita na pulang-pula na naman ang traffic. Yan ay usual na tanawin dito sa Metro Manila. Now, no. Yan. Ito, may nire-request to eh. Request ng kung anong ewan. Good evening, everyone!
5 lang pala eh.